Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add FAQ page on Shopify. First up, open your Shopify account, and then here on the left panel, you want to go and click on Online Store, and then go to Pages. Now here you will find your current page on Store, and then we're going to click on Add Page right there at the top right-hand corner. Now here, you want to add the title. So for example, I'm going to type FAQ. So right from here. And then you can basically add your content. So you can write the content depending on what you want to add to your FAQ. Or you can try to generate text using AI. So just click this one here. And then what's this page about? So you just have to type details and you can change also the tone for this description, and basically it will automatically generate the content. Or you can manually type here. For example, I'm going to type my FAQ. There have it. And also we can basically edit or customize the content. We can add some options like here formatting. You can change the formatting, and also if you want a bold letter, just click this one. Then you can use italic, underline, or like bulleted list, numbered list, or you want indent, alignment, the text color, basically, and you can add table, image, video, or clear formatting. So in this case, I'm going to add another content here or type, for example, my sample FAQ. So there have it. Now at the right side of your screen, you will find an option. So you can select your theme template right here. But since we don't have a FAQ built into our theme, we will just select default page. And once done, we'll now go and click on save button right here at the bottom right. Okay, so as you can see, FAQ created. Now we will now go to online store and then go to customize. And you will basically go to your website editor. And what we're going to do is click on the option there at the top and select the page or pages right here and select default page. So as you can see right here, the FAQ that we have just created. So you can just customize the FAQ page right here. So to do that, you want to go and select the option right here at the left side of your screen. We're going to click on the back button right there, and under the page option, click on add section. And from here, you want to add collapsible content right there. So there you have it. So here, as you can see the collapsible content. So basically, we're going to change the subtitle here. So click on this one. And then we're going to change the subtitle. For example, I'm going to change it to frequently asked questions. Just an example. All right. So once done, as you can see, frequently asked questions. Now, basically, you can also add some question and answer right here. Now, in this sample, I'm going to use ChatGPT. So I'm going to open a new tab right here and search for ChatGPT. So as you can see, ChatGPT gave me some frequently asked questions. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy this one and then go to the first section. We're going to change here the heading. So just basically paste that here, right? What payment methods do you accept? And we're going to copy also the answer. So just click on the drop down menu, select here, and then go to row content, paste it right there. So once they click on drop down menu, then they will find the answer, right? So we're going to do that on the second row. Again, copy this question. How long will it take to receive my order? And then go back here and paste it in the heading box. And then also the content here, paste the answer, right? Copy here. And then paste the answer right here on the row content. So there you have it. Now you can also add some row right here if you want to add some content. So basically that's how you can simply add some frequently asked questions. So here on the left panel, you can also customize this one. You can basically change the color scheme if you want. So just go right here on color scheme and just change it and select the color that you want. So there you have it. So yeah, that's all. That's how you basically add FAQ page on Shopify. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.